everyone. A big stencil requires a bigger brush, so I'm teaming this one up with a Stelmeister wax brush sold by Fusion Mineral Paint, and it covers big areas much quicker. Stenciling a doormat is a little bit different than stenciling anything else because it's highly absorbent. So you want to get enough paint on there, and I'm finding once I do get the paint on, doing a little bit of a rotate helps embed the paint even more. Just like tiling, you start a pattern in the middle of your project. To reposition, you simply lift the stencil, line it up in like-minded squares, and continue on. Something to keep in mind is any painted pattern on a doormat, including if you just buy one, they will eventually wear in time. So this is where it really pays to have the stencil on hand so you can do touch-ups.